able to control that money supply and the fiscal deficits, the inflation is not going to go away. And as long as we have real inflation in excess of 10%, I don't think there's very little elbow room for RBI to go around reducing these rates. Maybe, out of the box thinking is required, that why the inflation is going up. It's basically because of excess money supply in the economy. The government has to control its deficits, its finances, borrowings. All those things are worrisome.
But then there are international factors too, like increase in crude oil prices, which is leading to increase in domestic oil prices and thus inflation.
Yeah, it's all, it goes in a vicious circle. And so far as the oil prices is concerned, yes, in fact, they've corrected down by about 8-9% over the last 15 days. And technically, they could go down further by about 8-9%, but I still don't feel that how the inflation gets under control by that.
Absolutely, a big question mark there. Now, since we are talking about oil prices, let's also talk about other sources of energy and gas and natural gas as well. Now, the IGL, there's a battle between the IGL and Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. They've taken the dispute on tariff to the courts. Do you see that affecting the markets too, especially IGL shares?
No, IGL shares have already taken a hit. They were down 35%, and today actually they did not do anything.
Right.
So the market is waiting for the next queue. I think the next hearing is on 19th of April. And let's see what comes out of it. In case this order stays, then I think there could be a big knock on the oil and gas shares
sector. Okay, but I have a question really. To what extent do such disputes affect the sectors related to, such particular companies like the IGL? Because you're saying that the whole oil and gas sector could take a hit.
Exactly. Because suppose considering IGL, now monopoly business, they have distribution. And the way the oil is secured, they have to refund, I think analysts have predicted that they have to refund something like 1,000 to 12,000 crores, which effectively wipes their entire price. So in case you are looking at a very low profit company, then the valuations have to come down accordingly.
Right.
They were based on different kind of valuations, and it was trading at about 400 rupees. In case this order comes, even if the refund is not made, even the future profits will get affected, and the share is likely to go down to maybe test the yesterday's bottoms.
Right. So that was about oil and gas sector, but talking about global markets, we saw a weak trend across the globe today, and otherwise also they haven't been performing too well, though there are fluctuations time and again. The European debt crisis has not sorted out yet. Do you see the international factors affecting Indian market pursuing or continuing to go the way they have been going weak?
Actually,